All right, guys, we got an Audi A5 here in the garage. This is a V6 3.2. So they just bought this vehicle about 2 weeks ago, and then it was running okay for a couple of days, and now it's rough. So they took it to the shop local here, and they did a little bit of diagnose. They found something, and then they think it was fixed, but it's not. Now I'm stuck with it. Got towed in the garage. Don't want to start it. Coolant leak somewhere and overheat for a bit. Now on this video, I was gonna quickly show you guys how to remove the front fascia bumper, the front headlight. So let's get started. Okay, so there's a 4 or 6 bolts right here that take out this upper cooler rad right there. That's will come out. Just make sure put all the bolts in the container here. You don't want to lose it. Label them. I'm gonna be label them later on. The air box intake hose right there, and then the snorkel right here. We'll be taking those out, and then we're just slowly taking out the fender on this side, same thing on the other side. So let's quickly do that. All right, guys, so after you're taking out this screws down here on the edge, just need to peel off this bumper out, because there's 2 10mm screws down here that we need to take out. Just right there, those 2 right there, those are the 2 10mm. Let's quickly take those out. It's hard to see with this panel in here. There you go. Drop the bolts already. All right, so that's what it looked like right there. And then let's do same thing on the other side over there. All right, guys, driver's side, 2 bolts out for the bumper. All right, put that on the side with the other stuff right there. I took this screw over here already. These are the T25, this really long one. Took that off already right there. Same thing on this side. Took that off already. T25 on that one. I believe that's about it. So this is ready to go. There's about 4 more right here that need to take out, that holds the bottom bumper. This one is gone. There's 3 more over there. Take those out, and this whole bumper right here will almost coming out. There you go. It's super loose now. Make sure I have something on the front that would catch when this thing fall off. Be careful, anything that wired get caught needs to disconnect. So this wire right here, we're gonna have to disconnect this. So just gonna disconnect this wire off from the modules and stuff. All right, guys, so disconnect that. Same thing with the fog lights right here. Disconnect the harness for the fog light. Same thing on the other side. All right, there you go. Bumper's out. All right, guys, that's it. Quickly took the bumper out. Nothing bad. Just the main thing is this 2 bolt right here by the fender underneath the headlamp. Same thing on the other side. 3 or 4 retainers here. 3 or 4 underneath the bumper. And there's a cover right here. It's about 3 or 4 retainer that needs to take out the cover. And then there's a bolt right here. And same thing on this side. That's it. That's how you take out the bumper on the Audi A5, A4, same thing. So we're gonna be continuing taking out the intake manifold on this one. We got a coolant leak somewhere, and I find out where is the leak coming from. So stay tuned on that one. Make sure to subscribe. See you again on the next one.